Okay, here we are, Sunday, January 17th, 2021. Got a Phillips TV here. I'm not sure exactly what model it is. It's an Energy Star. It's about 12 years old, and it got a little problem here. When you turned it on, it would zzz, and the screen wouldn't come on. So I could look down in, and I could see a little spark happening. So I took the back off, pulled this board out, and if you look right there, see that little burnt spot? Oops. Focus. A little burnt spot. That was where the fire and the arcing was happening. So there we go. I'm gonna take a soldering iron, try to fix that. And if it's not damaged too much, it may actually work. I've seen this done before. My buddy had a TV like this some years back, and it's the same thing he had to do. So let's try it. Okay, so it's this bottom connector right there. And I took my handy dandy little soldering iron, which I better unplug before it starts a fire over here. And let's see if we can get a shot of that. It did a little blob of solder on there. And, I unplugged the power, but I already turned the power on, and it blues up, so the screen is on, it's powering, and it's not arcing anymore, and it's fixed, cut.